What is a nautical mile? Now, we may have heard this term before. We may know that it has something to do with navigation, something to do with boats or aircraft, but it has something to do with the geometry of the Earth. Now, assuming the Earth is a perfect sphere, which we know it's not, but it's close enough to a sphere, let's say around the equator, the circumference of the Earth, which is the distance around the equator, is around 40,000 kilometres. Now, there are 360 degrees in a full circle. So for 1 degree of rotation, or travelling along this equator or any other line, say through the North or South Pole, travelling an angle of 1 degree, we work that out by taking 40,000, dividing that by 360 degrees, and we get 111 and 1/9 of a kilometre. Now, every degree can be split up into 60 minutes. So for 1 minute of rotation, we take what we just worked out here, which is the distance travelled through 1 degree, dividing that by 60 again, and we get 50 over 27, which is approximately 1.85185 kilometres. Now, rounding that to 3 decimal places, we get 1.852 kilometres. And that is the definition of a nautical mile. 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometres. And further to that, if you ever see a speed in knots, which is usually what boats are measured in when they're travelling along the water, 1 knot is 1 nautical mile per hour.